Hello, my students. I hope you are okay. Today we are talking about the area. Note the following figures. Each figure is divided into equal parts, units of area. Figure 1. This figure is divided into equal parts in shape of triangle. The area of figure 1 is how many triangles parts in a big triangle. Please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So figure 1 equal 16 triangles. Look at this. Figure 1 number of equal parts. Area of figure equals 16 triangle. Figure 2. Area of figure 2. Figure 2 is divided into equal parts in shape of triangle. But take care. This triangle is different than this triangle. Okay? To know the area of figure 2, we will count the parts of the figure. Please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in one row plus 8 equal 16. 8 in the third row plus 8 in fourth row. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 plus 16 equal 32. So the area of figure 2 equal 32 triangle. Please take care. This triangle is different than this triangle. Okay? Figure 3. This figure is divided into equal parts, each part in form of rectangle. To find the area of this figure, we will count all parts in form of rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So figure 3. Its area equal 12 rectangles. Okay? We observed something. These are area of different figures, and also the units used to calculate the area is different. Question for you. Can you determine which of the previous figures is greater in area and why? Who can tell me which figure has greater area? This figure is 16 triangles. This figure is 32 triangles. This figure is 12 rectangles. To compare the area of some figures, you have to calculate the area of each using the same unit. We observe in the previous figures, we using different units. Okay? To compare between this figure, we need using the same unit of area. So we are in need of standard units. Standard units means units are the same for all figures to calculate the area. One of these units is the square centimeter. Square centimeter is abbreviated as cm square. This is square, this is centimeter. A square centimeter. What is the square centimeter? Note the shaded figure. This figure. Opposite to recognize the square centimeter. Square centimeter. Then complete. Please look at this figure. This figure is square. Its side length is 1 centimeter. Okay? This is 1 centimeter, this 1 centimeter, this 1 centimeter, this 1 centimeter. Okay? Square centimeter is the area of a square of side length. Please pay attention with me. The rule to find area of a square equal, we know square, it's required to know its side length. To find the area, side length times side length. In this figure, the side length equal 1 centimeter times side length put 1 centimeter equal 1 times 1 equal 1. Centimeter times centimeter. Please take care. Centimeter is repeated twice. So we will put square centimeter. Square centimeter means centimeter times centimeter. The centimeter repeated twice. Okay? Put the following squares and count the square centimeters which form each square. Number of small squares, then complete. As the example. Please take care. Square 1. To find the area of square 1, we will count the square centimeter in the square 1. You will observe square 1 has 4 square centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square centimeter. Square number 1. Number of small square. Square centimeter. 4 square centimeter. Side length of square. Side length of square 1. 1, 2. So side length is 2 centimeter. Please take care. Side length of square equal 2 centimeter. We use centimeter for length. Please take care. Square centimeter for the area. Side length of square is 2 centimeters. We have 4 as 2 times 2. Please look with me to the figure. This figure, square 1, you can count the square centimeters like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. And also you can times the row and column like that. The row have 2 squares, so we have 2 times the column, you have 2 squares, so 2 times 2, okay, equal 4 square centimeter. The second square, this square is a square centimeter. Square 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 square centimeter. Okay? Side length is equal 1, 2, 3. 3 centimeter. Square number 2, number of square centimeter equal 9 square centimeter. Side length of square equals 3 centimeter, as we said before. Please take care how to calculate the area using this method. Pay attention with me. To use times, please look at the row. The row has 3 squares, 1, 2, 3. The column has 3 squares, 1, 2, 3. Please take care. This horizontal is called row. This vertical is called column. In row, we have 3 squares. In column, we have 3 squares. So, 3 times 3 equal 9. 9 square centimeter. Square number 3. This square centimeter. How many square centimeter in square 3? Please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, square 3 has 16 square centimeter. Side length of square 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter. Square number 3. Number of small squares. Square centimeter equal 16 square centimeter. Side length of square equal 4 centimeter. To use times, please look at the row and the column. Row has 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4. Column has 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 times 4 equals 16. Given that the area of a square equal number of the small squares, square centimeter, then complete. Please take care. The area of a square is the number of square centimeters. Take care. The area means count all the number of square centimeter inside the square. Okay? Area of square 1 equal 4 square centimeter equal 2 centimeter times 2 centimeter. 2 is side length. Side length is 2. We know area. Side length times side length. Side length is 2. So area of square 1 equal 2 centimeter times 2 centimeter equal 4 square centimeter. Area of square 2. Side length of square 2 equal 3 centimeter times 3 centimeter equal 9 square centimeter. Area of square 3. Side length of square equal 4 centimeter times 4 centimeter equal 16 square centimeter. So we can conclude that the area of a square equal side length times side length. Using the previous relations complete. First one, area of square of side length equal 9 centimeter equal 9 times 9 equal 81 square centimeter. Please remember, area of square equal side length times side length. The second one, area of square of side length equal 2 centimeter equal 2 centimeter times 2 centimeter equal 4 square centimeter. The third one, perimeter of square is 24 centimeter. To find the area of square, we should find first side length because area of square equal side length times side length. To find side length of square, please remember the rule. Side length of square equal perimeter of square divided by 4. Perimeter is 24 centimeter divided by 4 equal 6 centimeter. So area of the square equal side length times side length. 6 centimeter times 6 centimeter equal 36 square centimeter. Note the following rectangles and calculate the number of square centimeters, small squares, in each figure, then complete. Figure 1, rectangle, has length is 3 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, and width 2 centimeter, 1, 2. Square number 1. Number of squares centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number of square centimeter. Rectangle length is 3 centimeter. Rectangle width is 2 centimeter. Area of rectangle equal length times width. 3 centimeter times 2 centimeter equal 6 square centimeter. Rectangle number 2. Its length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length is 5 centimeter. Width 1, 2, 3, 4. Width is 4 centimeter. Number of squares centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16 plus 4 equals 20. Rectangle number 2 has 20 square centimeters. This is number of square centimeters. Area. Rectangle length is 5 centimeter. Rectangle width is 4 centimeter. So the area equal length times width. 5 centimeter times 4 centimeter equal 20 square centimeter. Rectangle number 3. Its length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 centimeter. This is the length of rectangle. The width is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 centimeter. To find the number of squares centimeters without count each one, you can find it using the row and column. The row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares in row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares in column. We will use times, so 6 times 4 equal 24 squares centimeters. To check, please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 equal 12. Plus 6, 18. Plus 6, 24. Rectangle number 3 has 24 square centimeter. This is number of square centimeters. Area. Rectangle length is 6 centimeter. Rectangle width is 4 centimeter. Area equal length times width. 6 centimeter times 4 centimeter equal 24 square centimeter. We can conclude that area of rectangle equal length times width. Use the previous relation between the area of rectangle and its dimensions. Then complete. First one, area of rectangle whose length is 9 centimeter and width 6 centimeter equals area of rectangle. The rule is length times width. Length is 9 centimeter times 6 centimeter equal 54 square centimeter. The second one, area of rectangle whose dimensions are 3 centimeter and 8 centimeter equals, we know area of rectangle equal length times width. Length is 8, width is 3 centimeter. So, width 3 centimeter times 8 centimeters for length. Please take care. We can write width times length or length times width. It's the same. Okay? Equal 24 square centimeter. The third one, the perimeter of rectangle is 18 centimeter and its width equal 3 centimeter. Length plus width equal half perimeter. Please take care. This equation required that we know the perimeter of rectangle is 18. Okay, the perimeter is 18. When we want to have half of 18, half of 18 equal, very good, 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter is the length and width together. We know that width equal 3 centimeter. Then length equal. Please remember with me. We know perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. Please take care. When we want length and width, okay, inverse the times 2 into divided by 2. Please take care. Times 2 will go to the first scale. So length plus width equal perimeter of rectangle divided by 2. So the length equal perimeter of rectangle divided by 2. We will move plus width to the second scale with inverse will be minus width. Please take care in any equation to move the sign from one scale to another. Please inverse the sign. If the sign plus, go to the second scale with minus. If the sign is times, is go to the another scale, go to will be divided by. Okay, move the sign from scale to another. Please inverse the sign. Times its inverse divided its inverse times, plus its inverse minus its inverse plus. Okay, so length equal perimeter of rectangle divided by 2 minus width. Okay, back to our problem. Width equal 3 centimeter, and we know length plus width equal 9 centimeter. Okay, so 9 minus 3 equals 6 centimeter. Please take care. Half means divided by 2. So to find length plus width, we will put perimeter 18 divided by 2 equal 9 centimeter. Then area of rectangle equal length times width. 6 centimeter times 3 centimeter equal 18 square centimeter. The fourth one, the length of rectangle is 12 centimeter. The length is twice the width. We know the length is greater than the width. The length is twice the width. Okay, this means the length equal 12. Okay, 12 is twice of width. Twice means times 2. Please look with me. Twice means times 2. Length equal twice of width. Width twice means times 2. We know length equal 12. Equal width, it's required. So we will put width times 2. As we said before, when move the sign from the scale to another, please inverse the sign. This times will inverse to divided by. So width equal 12 divided by 2 equals 6 centimeter. The width of rectangle equal half length equal 6 centimeter. Then area of rectangle equal length times width. 12 times 6 equal 72 square centimeter. Please don't forget square centimeter. Good time for you. Goodbye.